Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use a for I in range. I is being the variable, it doesn't have anything to do with anything. So, first we can start with for I in range, and we have the brackets. This is going to indicate what is going to go in between what. It's going to print, if we print I, it should print 567. It doesn't do 8, so if we wanted to print 8 as longest width, we're gonna have to increase the number. So that is that, and we can also be a little bit more skeptical. We can do 100, and it's gonna skip twice. So we have 579 because it starts with this. This is a starting point, ending point, and skipping point, I guess. Um, yeah. So I'm gonna show you something else. So 4 I in range, and we have still 5 and 8. We can just do this. So I comma, this is gonna print I alone. I again squared in brackets, and this is just gonna write 5, all the numbers from 5 to 7, including 7, to be them alone and squared. So here it's gonna be, let's clear that first and then run. So 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 29, and if you remember math, then that's what it should be. So now what else we can do is you can do like an even and an odd mix. So we can have for I in range. We can have start by 101, start by 1, end 101, skip by 2. This is basically gonna go by 3s, by 2s, but it starts with 1, so it's gonna be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and it's just gonna keep going like that. And we can just print I. It's not printing for some reason. I'm gonna restart this. There you go. It just printed. So it's gonna start from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, so on and so on until it reaches 99. Now, the reason it didn't reach 100 is, well, because of the 2. So if we want to reach 100 and we want to skip by 2, start on 2, and everything even, it's gonna let me clear that again. And it's gonna start 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and end at 100. So yeah. Now we can also use characters, not just numbers or integers like we did before. And so we have for character in the string hello. Now we're gonna want to double. We're gonna want to double indent. We're gonna want to print character. I'm just using character as a reference or as a variable, so just putting that up there. So it's gonna HELLO. So hello. Now we can also use things like the power module, if you know what that means. So it's like we did in the first part, but we can use it with strings. I don't think I have to show that to you right now. We can also incorporate lists into our for I in loops. We can have things like names equals Janet, James, and John. Alright, now we can write for names in names. Sorry, for name in names. We're gonna do name as this can be the variable. For name and names, print name. gonna say Janet, James, John. What we wrote. So yeah. Okay, now this is gonna get a little bit more difficult, but just try and keep it there. So we're gonna have 3. So this can be a variable then. Now we're gonna make a list again, but we're gonna have numbers that start with 3 and skip by 3. So we can do 5 numbers: 9, 3, 6, 9, 9, 12, 15. Okay. 4, th in 3. Usually you do the unplural or the singular noun in the variables, so we're gonna have for the in 3. We can make another variable called divide equals, well, th divided by 3. Divided by 3. So now this basically what it does is it finds th singular in 3 and then divides the number by 3. So it goes 3 divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3, and 15 divided by 3. Now we're going to do another print, and we're going to use an f string this time. So we have our variable th, the one that we made, divided by 3 is int. Okay, I did something wrong. th divided by 3 is, now we go out of, now we go out of the int, and we have divide. There. So divide is a variable, and now we can print this, and it's going to say 3 divided by 3 is 1. Here. So let's do a space here. It's going to make everything look normal. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 15 divided by 3 is 5. So yeah, this is how you can use the for variable or I in range divided by 3. Range doesn't have to only be just a range. The range is usually for numbers, strings, and stuff. Range can be changed into a list, a variable, and all things like that. So, thank you for watching. Goodbye.